Another day of mining. Now where's some wood for a tree? See? No, that's a car. There's one. Alrighty then. I'm about to make a wooden house with this tree. Alright, here we go. Oh god. Oh, I forgot this was a real life tree and not a video game. Oh, ouch. Ow, that hurt my hand. Ow. Well, I definitely learned my lesson from that. Huh? What's that cheering coming from? So, who do you think is gonna win, guys? Red, we don't even need to have this discussion. It's obvious that Sonic will win. He's the fastest thing alive. No way. It has to be Mario. Boris, you don't even need to pick Mario. Sonic's gonna win. No, Mario's gonna win. I have faith in him. Whatever. Hey there, guys. What's going on over here? Mario and Sonic are about to have the big race, and I know that Sonic's gonna win. No, it's gonna be Mario. No, it's gonna be Sonic. Oh, that's cool. I gotta see this. Mario and Sonic, are you ready for the big race? Yeah, I'm ready. Whew, yeah, I'm ready. Tired already, Mario? Well, it's obvious that we're gonna know who the real winner is. We'll just wait and see, Sonic. Okay then. 3, 2, 1. See, Boris? Look how slow Mario's moving. He's gonna lose for sure. You got this, Mario? Sonic, wake up! I'm not gonna wait, Mario. You're just too slow. Oh yeah. Sonic, I'm not done with you yet. Come on, Mario. You're gonna have to try better than that. Who am I kidding? He's not gonna try better. I'm the fastest thing alive. He can't catch up. Oh wow, Mario's so far away I can't even see him. I know that he said that I'm supposed to go around the tree and then go back, but you know what? I'm just gonna give Mario a few steps. I'm just gonna relax by the tree and probably just sit down and relax and maybe lie down. He's not gonna catch up. I have nothing to worry. I'm just gonna take a nap. Man, there's no way I'm gonna catch Sonic at that rate. Man, he's just too fast. What am I gonna do? If there was only a way for me to make me go as fast as Sonic. Who am I kidding? There's no way to do it. He's too fast for me. If there was only a way for me to go fast as Sonic. Wait a minute. I think I actually have an idea. Get ready for a throwback to one of our videos a year ago.
Super Mario Brothers, whee!
Ugh, mother. This time, let's do it away from the bushes. Okay, here we go.
Super Mario Brothers, whee!
Phew, good riddance, Sonic at the sleep. Now it's my chance. That was a good nap. What? Okay, there we go. Now I gotta hurry ASAP. Shoot! I've been asleep for too long. Mario's gonna win. I gotta go. Mario, you're not gonna win this. La-di-da-di-da.
Mario, come back here!
Oh shoot, that sounds like Sonic. I gotta go. What the? I don't believe this. Come on, almost there. Oh my gosh, Mario might actually be our winner here, folks. Wait a second. Oh, this is gonna be a close one, and the winner is, are they running right towards us? They're running right towards us! Ouch. You guys really need to watch where you're running. I have to be the winner. No, I have to be the winner. No, I have to. Guys. I think I know who the winner is. We just gotta play it in slow motion. Okay, it better be me. No, Mario, it's gonna be me for sure. Alright, roll that clip. Well, I checked the clip, and it looks like you both are winners. It was a tie. You guys both ran into us at the same time. Whoa, so it is a tie? Yep. Ugh. Wow. I really thought I was gonna win. But GG, Mario. GG, Sonic. Now let's go to the Mushroom Kingdom to celebrate. Wait for me! Can somebody help me up? I have no hands.